Welcome back to the Trap History Channel, where we delve into the powerful moments that shaped Black history. Today, we pay homage to the legendary Jim Brown and rank the top 5 Black power moments from his impactful life.
Number 5. Jim Brown's fearless activism. Throughout his life, Jim Brown fearlessly fought for civil rights and Black empowerment. From marching alongside Martin Luther King Jr. to using his platform to address racial injustice, he exemplified the spirit of activism. Number 4. The Black Economic Union. Jim Brown understood the importance of economic empowerment within the Black community. He founded the Black Economic Union, advocating for economic self-sufficiency and uplifting Black businesses. Number 3. Criminal justice reform advocate. Jim Brown recognized the systemic injustices within the criminal justice system. He used his influence to shed light on the need for reform, advocating for fair treatment and rehabilitation of incarcerated individuals. Number 2. Amer-I-Can program. Jim Brown's Amer-I-Can program transformed countless lives. Through mentorship and life skills training, he empowered individuals to overcome adversity and create positive change in their communities. And finally, number 1. Olympic Project for Human Rights. Jim Brown's decision to support the Olympic Project for Human Rights during the 1968 Olympics was a powerful statement against racial inequality. His stand alongside other Black athletes showcased the unity and strength of the Black community. Jim Brown's life was filled with powerful moments that fueled the flames of Black empowerment. His legacy will forever inspire us to fight for justice, uplift our communities, and strive for greatness. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 5 Jim Brown Black Power moments.